someone who can build your capacity and transform those base qualities of yourself into gold. You can say him the alchemist, the one who can provide you that trust level that you allow someone to reproduce you actually, with whom you should have that love which takes over your being, because until and unless that love, वो इश्क जो है, if it's not taking over you, it is not possible for a human being to surrender, to experience that state of the real presence. So spiritual master is that who passes on that divine light to your heart, who does not make you a follower, who makes you to find that real leader which is residing within you. He introduces you to your real reality, your real identity. See, about God, there is a real belief and there is a conditioned belief, right? How this conditioning works, because it is the repeatedness sort of indoctrination, so you never get out of that. So that is a conditioned belief, it's not your real belief. So the Sufi is the person who takes you out from your conditioned beliefs, which you have assumed that they were real, to your actual real belief. ये होता है मुर्शिद. This is the one who is the spiritual master.